Write a program to store customer name and
Write a control
price of
program to store customer name, customer
and
name,
customer three products.
and customer
Three
three
cost,
products costs, that is
P1 cost,
P1 cost, comma P2
P2
cost,
cost,
comma P3 cost,
P3 cost,
P3 cost, uh,
and give 10% discount on P1 cost.
give 10% discount on. When you are listening the requirement, listen, try to understand more and more. I understood, not like that. Understand, read 10 times. Discount on P1 cost. Come on.
Give 20% discount on P2 cost.
Calculate 20% discount on P2 cost. Mm, mm, mm.
30% discount on P3 cost.
30% discount on P3 cost. P3
P3
cost.
cost.
So completed this program. Then
Calculate.
yes, sir.
finally calculate
Calculate total bill.
total bill and print like below. Na? Any other
Yes, sir.
discount? Any tax?
No.
No
No
tax.
tag.
Now we have to print Rama total
Rama, total bill
bill
is.
is
Total.
like this. Right? This is the
Yes, sir.
requirement.
Yes, sir.
Okay guys, right. Come on. I don't want to leave a single person this time. Every person has to get the job after course completion within 10 to 15 days. Okay? Uma, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Immediately after
Yes,
training
sir.
completed, will you try for job, IT job?
Yes, sir.
Now you are working for school, already working, or you resigned?
No, sir. I'm working for the medical billing right now.
Yeah, if you are
I'm
working
working
in
from
that field,
home.
immediately after training is completed, you start interviews and you are going to switch into IT industry, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you got job in IT industry of 80K, it is like a bit of miracle.
Probably. Yes, sir.
How long you are working for this field, that medical field or something you said?
For the past 5 years.
No, total your number of years work experience. That, that, total.
In teaching and
And
testing and
everything in US, how long you are?
around 20 years, sir.
Around 20 years. After 20 years, you are switching into IT industry. It's a great. So I think it's a great news in your friend circle, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Within first interview, you have to get the job. I will train you like that. Okay. First interview, you have to get the job. Not check. Even though no, don't want to check. So take the chance of second interview. Okay. Right. Get ready like that.
Okay,
You have to
sir.
prepare. Now, guys, come on. We have to write the code now. Yes. Uh, mm, yeah. Neha, come on. Tell me the code. Neha. Giri, come on. Tell me the code. Neha.
String e name.
Not name. Cust name. First name equal to. Giri, are you there? Giri, are you there? Giri Prasad. Next, Poonam. Come on, continue the code. Giri, can you respond? What is happening with you? You are not in office, right? Come on. Kalyani, continue the code.
Double P1 cost equal to 100.
Double P1 cost equal to, let's say, 1000. You take 1000. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Double P2 cost equal to 2000.
Otherwise, we'll take 100 or we'll make simple values. Now. Double.
Yeah. P2 cost equal to 200.
200.
Double P. Okay.
Double
Double
P3
P3 cost equal to 300.
300. Okay, whenever you are
And
writing this type of programming, take simple values. Don't try with unnecessary complicated values. Okay, right. Your values are not important. Understanding and work is important. Now you have to calculate what you have to calculate now. First, after
discount.
this, Renuka, any idea now what you have to calculate now?
Sir,
Now what you have to
Total
calculate?
bill.
Total bill. Before total bill,
Total
what
bill
you have to calculate? You have to give 10%
discount.
on which cost? P1 cost. Okay.
P1 cost.
So
Yes.
10% discount. 10% discount on P1 cost. First you have to calculate. Okay. Now can you tell me, Renuka, about the statement what you have to
Sir,
write here?
P1 cost is equal to
Hmm. Hmm.
Risk 1 equal to
Now
100
it
in
is what exactly you know. You remember Renuka here. You have to
sir.
calculate. Did you listen videos, C-sharp recordings, all?
Somewhat, sir. Listening, sir, still.
Listening. Okay, fine. It's okay. Now I'm giving chance to Urmil. Come and tell me. Urmil is not. I think he's busy. Okay.
100 into. No, no, no. I have come back. I
Now
just
come
came
on.
back.
Now onwards. Just now I'll send a message. You are watching now, right? Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah, I
I'm
did.
expecting lot from you. I've given a lot
Yeah,
of.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, your father spoken to me and he is praising me like anything. After that, he will scold me. Okay, if we didn't get the
No, no,
result,
no, no.
that will happen. Now tell me.
No, that won't happen.
Now tell me. Double,
Yeah. Double
double,
P1 cost equal to
not P1 cost. Now P1 cost
discount,
is
discount.
already there.
discount.
We have to
Double
calculate
disc.
what
Double
P1
discount is
cost
equal
is.
to
Discount.
Okay. So what
Double
you can
disc.
do, you can calculate like this. P1 disk. P1 disk store into one variable. Am I right? How to calculate
yes.
Yes, sir.
P1 cost? Now tell me.
Cost
P1 cost
into
into
0
0.1.
point,
into 0.1.
how
1.
much percentage? I think 10. 0 0.10.
1%.
Okay, very good. Now 20% discount. 20% discount on P2 cost. P2 cost. Okay. Now Urmil, continue the code.
Double P2 disk equal to P2 cost
P2
into
disk
0.20.
equal to P2 cost into 0
into 20%. 20.
0.20, I think 20%, I think, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, 30% discount on P3 cost. P3 cost. Okay. Now, yes, Urmil, continue.
Double P3 disk equal to P2
P3
P3
disk
P3 cost
equal
into
to
0.30.
P3 cost into 0.30.
0.30.
So what you are doing, you are calculating individual product discounts. Okay. Now,
Yes.
yes. What you have to do now? Now what you have to do?
Double total bill equal to
Total bill.
Okay.
Now,
Now you have discs, you have cost. So what we have to do first? We have to add
P1
all
disk.
the cost into
Double.
total bill. I think. Am I right?
no,
Yes.
total disc and total
Total.
bill.
Total
We
discount.
have
You do one thing.
First you have to calculate.
Total discount will keep in one variable.
140.
Otherwise, we'll take like this.
Yes, sir.
We'll see. Double total bill
Total disc
equal to,
equal
first
to
add all the costs into one place. What is that?
P2
P1
cost plus
cost,
P1 plus P2 plus 3.
P1 cost,
P1 cost plus P2 cost plus
P1 cost plus P2
P2
cost
cost
plus P3 cost.
P3.
Right. Now, see, here you have cost without discounts.
Hmm.
Now, all the discs keep into one variable. Double disc, total disc. This is what
Yes.
is called total disc. Are you understanding? Total disc
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
equal to, come and tell me guys, mathematics, simple mathematics.
P1
I also
disk.
don't know
Disc 1.
mathematics.
Disc
Simple
P1
mathematics.
disc
See, mathematics,
P1
simple
disk
mathematics
plus
you are converting
disk
into
P1
programming.
disc.
Converting
P1
into
P1
disk
disk
logic.
P2 disk
plus
Come on,
plus
P2 disk plus P3.
come and tell me, what is that? Huh?
P1
P1
disk
disc
plus
and
P1
then
disk plus
P1
P2 disk.
disk plus P2
P2
disk
disc
Plus
plus
P3.
P3 disk.
P3 disk.
P3 disk. P3 disk. Come on, guys. So you observe.
total bill equal
Now,
to
now tell me. Total bill equal.
double.
equal
Not
to
required. Again, double is not
Total
required.
bill minus
equal to
total
total
disc.
bill
Because
minus
already we
total disk.
declared the variable.
Total disk.
Total bill equal to. Come on, Urmil, continue the code.
Total
Now,
bill
your
minus
part.
total disk.
Total
Total
plus
bill.
dot disk.
Total bill
Minus
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 minus total
total
disk.
Total.
total disc.
total disk. Now, come on.
Console dot write line total bill is this.
Console dot
Dot right line.
Write line
Name
console dot write line customer name
Customer name.
place customer name place Total
bill
bill
Total bill
is
is
total
plus
bill
total bill.
is
Plus total
what?
bill.
Plus what bill?
Total bill.
Oh, sorry.
Total
Total
bill.
bill.
total is
Total bill.
total bill.
Total bill.
Total bill.
Console.read line.
Total bill. Okay. Right. Semicolon. Yeah. Now console dot read line. Console dot read line. Console dot read line. This is the program. Final output for this program is how many lines? Only one line. Observed,
Yes.
this time I'm not tracing first. First tracing is yours. Second tracing is mine. We're changing the style. Okay.
Yes.
Now what is your duty? Program is in front of you guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, right. You keep the program like this in front of you. Right side, take pen and paper. Do mathematical tracing. Here OP like this, and here complete maths calculations, and send me the doc to me through mail immediately. Every person has to do. Come on. Okay. That copy, just mobile scan.
I traced that program, sir, but I took only one variable for discount, sir. I totally calculated all the discounts in a single variable.
Okay, you can do like that also. First, what we will do, we'll write the program like this. Slowly, we'll reduce the number of variables. Initially, if we try to reduce the number of variables, somebody may understand, somebody may not understand. That is a problem. Okay? You trace
Okay, sir.
according to your program, whatever. Finally, is it giving output or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
That is important. Okay? But see, I used to give simple programming initially because different people will be there in the class. One more point is a program. A program can a program can uh, write in different ways. Okay.
Sir, I have sent you, sir.
Okay. No, no. How can you trace within 2 minutes?
I was already writing,
No,
sir.
no. Now trace one more time.
Okay, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Right. How many are completed tracings? Did you send to me, Doc?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do one thing. We'll trace. At the time of doing this tracing, I'll ask you questions. You should be ready. But I observed having very good like logic here. Observed,
Yes, sir.
huh? But I don't know how did you trace. But actually, the tracing should be very like neat. Means what? Every pinpoint you have to trace. Every pinpoint, every calculation, every value change should be there. Should be reflected in your pen paperwork. But I don't know. If you have done like that, it will be good for you. Observed. I'll do here. Right. See, output is not matter for us. Okay. Final, we need to get this value. Okay. Right. So, guys, you observe. Are you ready? Yeah. Now, first this statement will create. Execute. Will create a variable and storing value called Rama. Second, P1 cost 100, P2 cost 100, 200, P3 cost 300. Like that, according to that, in your book, when I am asking you trace, you have to create variables, store values. Next, after this, here, yes. What is here RHS will execute. What is P1 cost?
100, sir.
100.
Yeah. Prashanti, what is that? 100. 100 into 0 0.10. Total RHS value is how much, Prashanti, after calculation?
10.
10 rupees. 10 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And LHS will create a variable. Then RHS 10 rupees will be stored into P1 disk. Next to 20%. Again, 200 into 0 0.20. Yes. How much vinyl here? 200 into 0 0.20.
40 rupees.
Vinyl, Uma, how much?
40 rupees, sir.
40 rupees. 40 rupees and LHS will create a variable. Again, that 40
Yes.
rupees will be stored into P2 disk. Okay. Next, P3 cost is how much?
300.
300. 300 into 0 0.30. How much?
90.
90 rupees.
90 rupees. See, in your calculation, I don't know whether you are following or not. Mathematics calculation should be like this. How you have to show, 300 into,
Into 0.3.
you should write like this. I have shown you on first day. 0
Yes, sir.
0.3030. I'm worrying about all these things because if you will have this type of tracing knowledge, it will be helpful for you. What is the amount here?
Yes, sir.
90.
90.
90. Up to here only RHS part execution. Next LHS part execution is nothing but creating a
Creating the
variable.
variable.
What is the variable
Variable.
name? P3 disk.
P3 disk.
P3 disk. You have to show like this. And assignment. Assignment is doing what? Assigning. What is the value? 90 rupees, I think, right? Assign
Yes.
Signing from
90.
RHS to
Okay, 90. So in this way you have to trace. This I am expecting from you guys. Okay. So see, I cannot check every doc, but I'm guiding you. I'm putting a lot of pressure on you, even though. Okay, out of my range, even though I'm crossing my limits sometimes. I'm forcing you because I want to give the best result to each and every student. Okay, behind every student there is a family. Your career is depending. Last batch so many people attended, but 9 students got excellent output. Remaining people are slowly getting result because of irregularity about classes, irregularity of assignments. That I told to them clearly that. So follow me blindly, we'll get output extraordinary. 8 people got awesome results. This time I don't want to give chance to single student. Okay. Next, after this, what happened? This statement is
total
Total bill.
RHS. P1 cost. How much P1 cost? 100
100.
100.
plus 200 plus 300.
300.
Total,
600.
600.
I think 600. And LHS will create a variable. And
Variable.
600 will be assigned into
Yeah, yes.
total bill. After this, again RHS P1 disk. P1 disk is how much?
10
P1 disk is how much?
90.
10.
10 rupees
10 rupees.
plus 20 plus 30.
Plus-
Total how much?
Plus 40 plus
Sorry,
40.
10 plus 40, yeah?
total 140.
Plus 90, yeah?
Yes, sir.
140.
Yes.
Yeah, total how
10
much?
plus 40 plus 90.
50
And
plus
40.
90.
140.
140. LHS will create a variable. The variable will contain variable. After that, assignment 140 will be assigned. Next, total bill is how much?
600.
600 minus total disk. Total disk is our
140.
total disk
Minus
is 140. So
140.
300 total bill
Total 600, sir.
600
Total bill is
minus
600.
140.
140.
How much?
460.
460.
Yeah. Now LHS
460.
will be recognized. Here variable will not create. Already variable is created. That variable is having a value called how much? 600. 600. In this place, what will happen? It will not create variable one more time. It will get recognized the existing variable. Babu, total bill, where are you? Total bill will say I am here. Already it has a value called 600. Then now RHS contain how much value?
460.
460.
460. Now control will execute assignment operator. That assignment operator will assign like this. Already 600 is there. At a time, in a single chair, how many people can sit?
One
Only
person can
one
check.
person. Like that, a variable also can contain only one value. That's why this value will be overwrite and this value will be replaced. What is the value? 460. Now after this,
460.
console dot write line. After that, console dot write line, cust name. Cust name. Console dot write line. What is that? Cust name.
Custom.
Total bill. Total bill is Rama. Total bill is total bill. How much? 460. This is the story.